Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram DMs not loading problem. So the answer is simple. Just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps, and now as you see, go to the search and search on Instagram. Okay, and now go to the storage. So as you see here, you will find this clear cache. Click on it and go check it if it works. If it didn't work, you can maybe try to restart the phone, and if it didn't work again, you can try to clear data. But be careful, when you clear data you will lose all your stuff and all your data. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.